Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 2007 to 13 Silverado and Sierra.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Jack up the truck to a comfortable working level and support it with jack stands in front and behind the work area. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and mark out your cut areas. Step 4. Begin cutting along your cut lines. You will need to cut the flanges of the transmission crossmember flush with the frame. Cutting it flush is important because you will have to weld the flanges back to the installed part. Too big of a gap and you will not have enough material to weld back together. Once it's been cut, grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Next, spray the part and work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 5. Begin welding around all edges. And you're done.